So here's the problem. You're running out of available capacity at the physical layer. You need to provide more connectivity, but you have no more available switch ports. Well, that's because they're all in use. Or are they? Where are all these connected? Who's using all of these connections? Maybe not all of them are in use. Some of these could be dead ports. Maybe you already have existing capacity, but how do you know for sure? Well, you could try manually tracing each switch port. It could be time consuming, but sometimes it's not even practical if cabling is running under the floor or behind walls, so on. You could try disconnecting some and see what happens. Where's the risk? Well, you'll find out if you've removed some important connections, although maybe not straight away. Now, in this situation, often people would just buy more equipment, for example, a new switch, just to be on the safe side, instead of taking the risk of disconnecting something that might be important. Though actually this just compounds the problem and adds additional unnecessary costs. So how does this situation come about? Well, first of all, it's not unusual. In fact, it's fairly commonplace. With such an explosive demand for bandwidth nowadays, there's an unrelenting pressure to provide more and more infrastructure to support this. Rapid growth without intelligent capacity management at the physical layer will bring about this situation quicker than you might think. And there's a price to pay. A switch port costs money, an estimated $50 per year according to some industry sources. And it's not just the cost of the switch, it's the cost of the U-space and the rack, cabling, patching, all of the associated infrastructure, and all of the ancillary labor costs for installation and commissioning. 2,000 dead ports will cost you at least $100,000. So the bottom line, well, dead ports are just dead money, costing you money that you don't need to spend. So what's the answer? Well, with intelligence at the physical layer, connectivity is tracked and documented in real time. Switch ports which are connected, though no longer in use, dead ports, they can easily be recycled back into the resource pool and reassigned after a user-defined period of time. With iTRACS CPIM, you've got total visualization with granularity all the way down to the switch port. So you can see ahead of time if you're running low on available resources at the physical layer. How long does it take to get a new switch? If you need time to procure equipment and provision more capacity, then iTRACS CPIM can alert you when it's time to start the process. Intelligence at the physical layer puts you in control. With imVision and iTRACS CPIM, you have total visibility of your assets and resources. The advanced analytics of iTRACS CPIM puts the power at your fingertips to make the optimum use of your infrastructure, saving you time and money.